The Milner Therapeutics Consortium was launched in 2015 and was entirely designed to break down the barriers between academia and industry and facilitate a more efficient way of initiating research collaborations.
In the pharmaceutical industry, we have a very defined endpoint of what we're trying to achieve in terms of products. And obviously, academia and academics have a slightly different motivation in terms of just generating fantastic science. But for me, that's the opportunity as well as the challenge, really, that the original science that we see in these environments is really where we believe we need to be in terms of solving the issues that we see in healthcare.
So my lab is at the Gurdon Institute, University of Cambridge, and we focus on lung development and lung stem cells. We very recently set up a human embryonic organoid model to allow us to model human lung development in a dish. With the assistance of the Milner Institute, we're now partnering with AstraZeneca in order to use this system to identify novel regeneration targets for lung disease.
It's been apparent to us in pharma for a number of years that, well, we can focus on doing what we do best of generating great molecules and great tools. We really need to access the great brains that are present here in Cambridge and collaboratively understand our molecules.
If one takes a long vision of the University of Cambridge that has existed for 800 years and the Milner, which exists for only a very few years, then you might imagine that there's still a lot of knowledge, know-how that pharmaceuticals can access by collaborating closely with the University of Cambridge.
The big advantage that we have to collaborate with the Milner Consortium companies is basically the expertise they provide that complement in fact our academic approach and that allow us to develop projects which are directly relevant for disease and drug development, and also allow us to transfer more efficiently our academic knowledge and the technology we develop in the lab to concrete questions related to drug screening and drug development.
I see opportunities to tap into some world-class research which is going on all through academia. Academia are really the powerhouse of all the basic research that we undertake. There's some exceptionally bright people doing cutting-edge research, and we see this as a way to better understand disease, better understand the ways that we can interfere with that disease process, and better understand how we can serve patients to make them better and to cure them of disease.
Very exciting to see the growth of this and to see the number of partners that have come together to really cement what is a growing opportunity for both academia and industry.
We are determined to interact with the Milner because we believe it's an opportunity for us to access a scientific landscape that would be difficult to find anywhere else.
I think what is great is that the Milner help us to identify the right partners within the consortium and really try us to develop projects that will benefit both parties.
And in our experience, this collaboration and co-creation is key to creating collaborations that can help bring academic discoveries to life.
It's so beneficial because the industrial partner benefits, the academic partner benefits, and of course there's so much help that is coming from the Milner. The Milner is incredibly supportive of this kind of thing. I mean, you can see I'm a big fan.